Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video on JavaScript methods and events in 30 days challenge. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a unique value from your array with reduce method and ESC's new set method. So basically in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you a complex example with reduce method. And after that, we're going to do a much more simpler example with ESC's new set method. So to get started, I'll create a variable called array items. That is going to be my variable name, and then I will assign it to an array of numbers. But we're going to make sure that some numbers appear more than twice, like that. So right below here, I'm going to create another variable called UniqueValues. So we are going to assign it to our array items, and now we use our reduce method. So in here, we need to pass in a couple of things. The first one is going to be our accumulator. So I will just go with accumulator like that. And the second value is always going to be our current value. So I can just go with current value, just like that. So in here, all we need to do is to make sure that we already have our accumulator return. And we need to set the initial value of that accumulator to an empty array. Because at the end of this functionality, we only want to return an array of numbers. An array containing unique values from our original array. So now that this one is in place, we want to check if the item that we are going to add inside this array is already there. So if it is already there, we are now going to push the item inside the array. So we can just go with our negate operator like that and check if accumulator that includes our current value. Well, what do we want to do? All we need to do is to just push the value into our array. So I can just go with accumulator.push. And now we're going to push the current value. So now if I log my unique value to the console, what do you think you're going to get? Well, let's go unique value, just like that. And then you're going to see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17, and 45. Basically, there are some numbers that appear more than twice. So instead of adding them into our array, we completely remove them using the reduce method. So guys, this is the first method on how to get a unique value from your array using the reduce method. So now we have seen how to do that. Let's look at the second example. So in here, I'll create another variable called array2. That is going to be my variable name. And what I'm going to do is to actually copy all these values right here. So I'm going to paste it right here, and I'll go with another variable called result. And in here, what do you want to do? Just have to go with new set like that, and then pass in our array2. And let's log the result to the console for us to actually see what we're getting. So if I go with result, you can see we have a set of numbers. So all we can do is to use this spread operator for us to actually turn this set into an array of numbers. So the way that works is by going with array like that, and in here we are going to pass in 3 dots, and after that we're going to grab our new set method and paste it right here. Look at how we turned our sets into an array of numbers, and not only numbers but an array of unique numbers. Life is great. So guys, basically this is how to get a unique value from your array with reduce method and ESC's new set method. So guys, I hope you find it helpful. If you do, make sure that you stay updated. Make sure that you keep practicing. And I'll see you in our next tutorial.